Measles are spreading in Alberta, and the latest reported cases are here in Edmonton. Alberta Health Services is letting people know they may have been exposed at a Northside Health Clinic and the Stollery Children's Hospital. Nicole Weisberg reports.
It's where families go for help in an emergency. The Stollery is also where people may have been exposed to measles late Friday night into early Saturday morning. AHS says there was also an exposure at this Medi Centre on 167th Avenue and 82nd Street last Wednesday afternoon. Cases were also recently reported in the Fort Vermilion area, in the First Nations community John Doerr Prairie, and in Airdrie near Calgary.
So the fact that we're seeing measles now reflects an unfortunate reality, which is that vaccination rates are flagging, and measles is so infectious that it doesn't take much for it to spread widely.
Doctors say 2 doses of the measles vaccine are nearly 100% effective. People are normally vaccinated at 12 and 18 months of age. Provincial data shows, in 2019, 81.7% of kids were fully protected by age 7. The latest stats from 2023 reveal a nearly 10% drop. Vaccine hesitancy, a likely contributor, but this epidemiologist believes a bigger factor is people being uninformed about the virus's severity.
While it requires a little bit of legwork on your part, it pays dividends down the road because you don't want to get measles. It is not a mild disease.
AHS is currently tracking 11 cases in the province. At least 2 from international sites and Ontario, 1 in an infant, 9 impacting kids 14 and under, as well as a single adult. Symptoms include a high fever, cough, runny nose, red eyes, and a red blotchy rash that appears a few days after the fever begins.
While it might be a mild infection in many people, in some people, if it spreads, if it gets into the brain, it can be a very, very severe and potentially fatal infection and leave you with long-term brain damage.
AHS says tomorrow it will start posting case numbers daily. Nicole Weisberg, CTV News, Edmonton.
Alberta's health minister said today she endorses the measles vaccine.
Given the scientific evidence behind the efficacy of a double dose, do you endorse Albertans to get 2 doses of the measles vaccine?
Absolutely. I do endorse it.
Adriana Lagrange's response, a change from last week when CTV News again asked whether she would recommend the vaccine. Last Thursday, Lagrange said parents and guardians have to make sure they are well informed to make the best choice for them and their families. Lagrange confirmed all her family members have been vaccinated.